Mother of Jesus, give us your heart so beautiful, so pure, so immaculate, your heart so full of love and humility, that we may be able to receive Jesus, bread of life, love him as you loved him, and serve him in the distressing disguise of the poorest of the poor. Let us thank God for his great love in giving us this beautiful gift of having our sisters consecrating their life totally and for life to Jesus, their spouse. One of those most wonderful gifts of God, to have sisters fully consecrated to him. And also, I also want to thank the parents who have been so generous in giving their daughters to Jesus. Let us all thank God together for the beautiful gift of these consecrated virgins. Our society, the Missionaries of Charity, we are fully consecrated to Jesus to serve the poorest of the poor, and by so doing, to satiate his thirst, the thirst of Jesus on the cross for love for souls, by working at the salvation and sanctification to the poorest of the poor. It's a most wonderful gift of God to us to serve the poor, because Jesus said very clearly, whatever you do to the least, you did it to me. If you receive a little child, you receive me. If you give a glass of water, you give it to me. And when we die and go home to God, again we will hear Jesus say, "Come, you blessed of my Father, possess the kingdom prepared for you. Because I was hungry and you gave me to eat. I was thirsty and you gave me to drink. I was homeless and you took me in. I was naked and you clothed me. I was sick and in prison and you visited me." This is the most beautiful gift of God to us, that we can be 24 hours with him in the Blessed Sacrament and with him in the poor. The sisters are now all over the world serving and loving the poor. Every different countries, they have different poverty, but all are the children of God, our brothers and sisters. And we are very happy to help them, to make them feel loved, want and cared. We have got sisters who are active and contemplative. We have brothers active and contemplative. We have fathers. We have lay missionaries to charity. And we have also co-workers. So let us thank God for his great love in giving us this opportunity to serve him, the poorest of the poor, and to bring the joy of loving and being loved by each one of them. In Calcutta, we have home for the dying. We pick up people from the streets. And in this year that we have been with them, been working with them, picking them up from the streets of Calcutta, over 50,000 have gone home to God with a ticket for St. Peter. We always call baptism ticket for St. Peter. It's beautiful. Not one has died unloved and uncared. Same thing here instead we have a number of homes for AIDS, and it's very beautiful to think that they also most peaceful dead and go home to Jesus with great love. People are very generous with us because, as you know, we have a vow to give wholehearted free service to the poorest of the poor. We are completely depending on the divine providence, the tenderness of God's love. Pray for us that we continue God's work with great love. And pray also that many more generous priests, brothers and sisters will consecrate their lives to the service of the poorest of the poor. May God's blessing be with you all. God bless you.